Hi! We have here the baddest. Yung leader ng Decepticons, si Megatron.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Sige po. This is the YOLO Park Transformers Generation 1 AMK series. Side art. Tapos yung back. Yung top. Yan, Decepticons logo. And box pa lang dito. Busog ka na. Yan, oh. Look at that. Ang ganda, oh. Yan. Some info about Megatron. Open na natin. The instruction. Ganda ng design, no? Back. Yan, no? Look, ang ganda. Buuin na natin. The head and the body. The shoulder and the arms. The left hand. Same kay Optimus, articulated din yung fingers. The right shoulder and the right arm. Here's Megatron's signature weapon, the fusion cannon. The leg and the feet. The other one. Connect na natin sila. Yan, oh, Megatron. No, easy build lang din. Kahit si Gabe, kayang-kaya to. Yan, no? Look. Ganda. This is Megatron. Lupit, oh. Yan, no? Grabe yung detail. Solid. Diba? Panalo. Pogi, oh. Ayan, no? Lupit, eh, no? Solid. Napakaangas. That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.